Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about how to find common factors. So how do you do it? Well, the first thing you're going to do is completely factor each number or expression into its prime components. Then you're going to find and multiply any shared values. So let's take a look at this example, 45 and 20. To factor 45 completely, I'm going to start by just thinking about what are two things that multiply to 45. So the first things that come to my mind are 5 and 9. Now 5 is prime, but 9 is not. I can break 9 up more into 3 times 3. So I can write 45 as 5 times 3 times 3. Now I can also factor 20 completely, and my first thought is 4 times 5, but 4 can be broken up more into 2 times 2. So 20 is 2 times 2 times 5. Now I'm going to compare these two. I'm going to see what factors they share. Now they both have a 5, and since that's the only number they share, we can say the greatest common factor of 45 and 20 is 5. Let's take a look at another example. This one is 24 and 42. So let's factor 24 completely. I could do 2 times 12, but then I can factor 12 into 2 times 6, and then I can factor 6 into 2 times 3. So 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Let's factor 42 as well. That's 2 times 21, but 21 can be written as 3 times 7. So 42 is 2 times 3 times 7. Let's take a look at these side by side and find their common factors. So they both have a 2 and they both have a 3. So the greatest common factor is 2 times 3, or 6. Now, does this only work for numbers? Well, you can actually do it with expressions as well. Let's say I gave you 15x squared and 10xy. Well, I can factor 15x squared completely. 15 is 3 times 5, and x squared is x times x. I can also factor 10xy completely. 10 is 2 times 5, and then I have times x times y. Now, I want to find and multiply the common factors. So looking at this, they both have a 5 and they both have an x. So the greatest common factor of these two expressions is 5 times x, or you can just write it as 5x. And that is how you find common factors.